Hey there, speculators. Welcome back to the channel. This is Rod, lead futures and options trader, TDG, the Traders Dev Group, and also Futures on Fire. This is going to be a quick recap of some of the trading today for Friday, April 17th, 2020. Taking a look at some of the extreme turn signals that happened in the futures markets using our extreme turn signal on TradingView. So very quickly, just going to cherry pick a few of these trades here. It's probably hard to see that, but here's the MES. Some extreme turn buy signals came in right here, providing a nice opportunity to ride this back up close to the T-line that right there. That was my exit. We were long from about 28.30. If we look at the same level on the Dow Jones, you can see not only we get the nice buy signal here, ran all the way up and then into the close, an extreme turn sell signal. So we're day traders for the most part, opportunity to get flat, or if you're a swing trader, that's telling you can go into the weekend, maybe short a little bit of the Dow Jones there. If we take a look on the Russell, you can see we did get a buy signal up here when we went limit up. So I just like to also point out, signals that didn't work or you took some heats here. So either of these two buys, probably not perfectly ideal there. Gold, however, nice buy here on gold at around 16.99.17s led to almost a 20-point run there. These are 15-minute bars that I'm looking at. We'll often look at these on 30, 60, 15-minute. We even have some members of the group that like to day trade these using 3 and 5-minute bars. And then the trade that I really liked here was this ZB, both on the long and short side. So there you go, extreme turn sell signal up here at around 182s, which we've been calling out as some resistance for quite a while. Came down here and put in an extreme turn buy signal there as well. If I move to like a 30-minute on this ZB, you'll see there is no signal there on the 30-minute. I think we had a nice one there in the hourly. Yeah, there's our buy right there in the hourly. Look at that. That's $2,000 for a single contract if you rode that maximum favorable excursion. Looking at our TastyWorks account, which is an account $5,000 less than $5,000, where we do defined risk trades that we express them in equity options like ETFs, SPYs, Qs, IWM, TLT. When we get signals in the futures markets right here, we can come in and express those signals in the options market. So to give you an example, here's this TLT. We have the 170, 175 bear call spread that's looking for the market to decline. This is defined risk trade, and we did that based on an extreme turn sell signal that we had in the ZB futures contract that led to this entry. And as of today, this is up nicely. We're also short the SPY though. I mentioned there was some S&P longs that we took today, but we are short the SPY. The market closed a little strong here on a Friday. It's been a bullish last couple of weeks actually. 285, 290 bear call spread expiring out in May. We also, if we come in here to activity, you can see we took off the IWM bullish position. Again, these signals all come from the extreme turn. And on the QQQ, I just flatted this out because the Qs were strong in the pre-market, came back in. When they came in, I used that as an opportunity to get out of that. So the portfolio right now is pretty limited just to the SPY and TLT positions, and in a perfect world, these should offset each other. They shouldn't both not work, but we'll see what ends up happening. Right now, the bonds are actually coming in as the market is moving a little bit higher, but we'll see if we get a reversal of that sometime next week. All right, we'll leave it there for now. If you're on trial, please make sure that you do go to the support center at tdg.com, tradersdevgroup.com. Take a look at the support center so you can make sure that you get the most out of your trial by downloading the cheat sheets and the other information to be able to follow along with these signals. We also trade on NinjaTrader as well, but today I'm just doing the update for our traders over there on TradingView. All right, we'll leave it there for now. Have a super weekend. This is Rod with TDG, Traders Dev Group and Futures on Fire, reminding you to stay green and trade like community. If you'd like to find out more about how we trade futures and options for daily income, you can check the description below. And if you like this video content, it really helps out the channel if you hit the subscribe button and the like and the little bell to be notified when we're broadcasting. And then finally, I do read all of the comments. I have marketing people now too, but I'm going to read all the comments and reply. So try not to be a troll. If you like it, up. If you didn't, you can tell me you didn't like it. If you have any questions, pop them there in the comments. It's not a bad way for us to get to know each other to start off. All right, again, Rod, Traders Dev Group. Stay green, trade like you mean it. We'll see you at the next update. Thanks.